Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I was making a thumbnail for my YouTube video, and I just decided to show you guys how you can also create your own YouTube thumbnail. As we all know, YouTube thumbnails are very important to getting clicks to your video. So I'll just go ahead. Right now I'm on Canva, I'm using my phone. So I will just go ahead and search for YouTube thumbnails. There it is. Okay, so if you're a beginner or you don't want to go to the hassle of designing your own thumbnail, you can just scroll through the templates that they have, and then you can choose the one that you like. The ones that have crown, golden crown, those are pro. You have to pay for those ones before you can use them, or they leave a very distinct watermark from Canva. So today I will be making my own from scratch. So you can go ahead and choose a template, then you can just modify it according to the video that you have. So I will click on this one. That's a blank template, so you start from scratch. So there we have it. They're still suggesting that I choose a template. If you like, you can also choose a template, but I'm just going to the downloads. And then as you can see, I have a picture there because the thumbnail that I'm creating is for a novel that I'm writing. So there you have it. So I have the picture there. I'll just move it to the left side because I want it to be on the left side. I will edit it later. So I also want to add some text. Okay, so when you're adding text, normally most people view, when they go online and they're viewing thumbnails and what have you, they view it in a direction of left to right, like our eyes move from left to right. So what I would suggest you do is you put your image, which is eye-catching, on your left side, then you put your words on your right side. That is what I normally do. So right, BL novel with me. Okay, so I've been trying to write a new genre of novels. So it's a BL novel. So I have a short clip where I write live. So you can just, if you write novels, you can go ahead and check it out, the video out. But there you have it. So you can go ahead now and work on changing the font. Like right now, I want to change the font. So to change my font, I will go there and let's change the color. Okay, I'm not liking that background. Okay. Let's just leave it at white for now. You can add here. Okay, I want an element for that picture that I have. So since it's a book, I will go with so as you can see, there are so many things on the free version of Canva that you can just use for your designs. Okay, so okay, I'm looking for a book mockup. Book, there you have it. So you search, as you can see, those are pro, but you can just check and find a free one. If you have not paid, or if you don't want to pay, you can just go ahead and you say these are the graphics. Okay, let's try a phone mock-up. Since I'm planning on publishing it online, let's just try and see. Okay, so there is the mock-up. So if someone is reading this novel in a book, it would look something like that, right? Okay, so I'll adjust so that this picture sort of fits there. And then I also want to adjust the font and make it a bit large. So I always have my brand font, the one that I chose. So there I have it. Then the font size, I can just increase it to, let's say, 70. So I will play with the margins just to get a good feel of it. Yes. Okay. So I also want to add text over. I just want it to be normal text. Then I will move that. I want it over. I want that. Yes, I want that on top of the picture. Then I will increase the font size and adjust so that it fits. It fits very well there. Okay, that is good. Okay, then I will go with the color. I want to change the color to something. Let's try red. No. Okay, what about blue? Nope, it's not working. Okay, I'm looking for a color that will not blend into the clothes. So let's take red and then let's go to style. Let's go to effects. Then let's put a background. Yes, and there you have it, and now you can see the name, right? Okay, there is also something else that I want. I want it to be bold and italics. Okay, let's try centering the moving just a bit. Yeah, it looks better that way, right? So we need a background. We have the easiest way to achieve this in a quick way is going for a minimalist type of design, so that you don't have a lot of elements going on your thumbnail. So you have that capturing image, you have your in your title. So the other thing is just putting a nice background to complete the design. So for the background, the theme that I'm trying to go with here is I love peach blossoms. Let's see if we can find a nice background, because it's a novel, so you need sort of to create the mood. No, I was thinking maybe I'll get a garden. So these are things that you can just get freely on Canva. You don't have to download them or anything. Okay, no, I still don't like any of these ones. So let's go ahead and what will we search for? What will we have? Okay, can we try this and just see how it will look like? It's almost good, but it can be better. So let's go for hearts, since it's a romantic novel and it's satirical when you have mistakes and hearts together in one video. Okay, which one should we go with? Something dramatic. No, it's too much. That is just too much on that design. Okay, again, that's also too much. So let's change and go for a mountain scenery behind these guys. This one looks like a picture from a book, right? Let's try and see how it will look like. Replace background. Now that's better, but now my words are almost, you can't clearly see the right "ah." So let's see if we change the text to another color, if it will have any impact. So let's see white. So the double U blends with the background. So let's go with, what about purple? Okay. I know what to do. So as you can see, I love the color purple there, but you can see that it's not very legible. So what do? You go to effects and then you choose outline. Yes, so the outline, then you choose the color of the outline and put something like white or black. There you have it. Now you can say it, right? So I am done with my thumbnail, and I kind of like it, but I think we can tilt this a bit just to bring some character to the thumbnail, right? So let's, yeah, so there is some character in the thumbnail. Okay guys, so there you have it. That is how you create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Bye, until we meet again. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you have any question. Thank you.